everybody, it's David Brandt again at the Healthcare Systems Process Improvement Conference at the Hyatt Regency Savannah in Savannah, Georgia. We're talking to attendees about their conference experience and what their beliefs are about the future of healthcare. And I happen to have yet another attendee with me right now. Tell us about yourself.
Hello, David. My name is Eddie Perez. I am a senior lean program manager with Baker Health Systems in Florida. We have 14 hospitals, and I am in the performance improvement department, facilitating events, helping ensure that the lean thinking culture gets permeated throughout the whole system. And it's a lot of fun. Every now and then we get some challenging days, but it's a very rewarding career and industry to be in.
Eddie, I know you've been a chair of this conference. What keeps bringing you here year after year?
Yes, thank you, David. Yes, I was the chair last year in 2019. This is my favorite conference to attend every year. The energy here, I mean, it's insane. It's amazing. The quality of content that I always get here, the work that other institutions are doing is inspiring. It's also things that I can always bring back to my own organization and implement and really try to move the needle. It's become like an extended family to me because I've actually forged good relationships here, good friendships over the years. I've been coming. This is my 7th conference. I've forged some really good relationships, some really good friendships. This is a close-knit group. And we really enjoy being together, talking about, process improvement in healthcare. It is great to learn what other people are doing. The relationships and good friendships I have here, I love learning from them. These are people that are hardworking in the industry. Like I said last year in the opening remarks, it is my time to recharge. I come here to get inspired and go back and tackle the challenges of what we do one more year.
Eddie, what is going to be the focus for healthcare in the future?
Oh, that's a great question. That's a crystal ball question, as they call it. Number one, we're already seeing the consumerism part of healthcare is turning more into a consumer focus industry, which we have to put the patient at the center. A lot of things are also involving the patient. So I think we'll see a lot more of that, of the consumerism of healthcare, and we'll see more and more. We'll see the play of data and even the buzzwords we hear today, the artificial intelligence, the patient actually being a lot more involved, taking into their own hands their own health, really being a lot more involved, looking for technologies, the patient actually asking us, the industry, for better solutions, because we know we cannot sustain at the rate we're going. I mean, I think I heard during this conference, it's like a 3.8 trillion industry, and we cannot continue at that rate as a country, as a society. So a lot of changes are definitely in the future, because we need it, and we are where we need to be. Our industry as process improvement professionals, we are here to help that transition and help people go through that transition and make sure that we stay focused on the patient, we stay focused on the clinicians that are providing that awesome care, because a lot of times what I see is people that they really got into healthcare to help the patient, to heal the patient, but we've put these so complicated, complex systems and processes in place that really hinder what they're trying to do, and it really hurts what they're passionate about. So we are that's what I see. I see a lot of transformation happening, and we hopefully can do it right and make sure that the clinicians can provide the care that they want to provide, that they're licensed to provide, that they are passionate about providing, and we ensure that the patient is where they need to be. If they need to be at home, we can care for them at home. If they need acute care, we can do that too. But a lot of that will be enabled through digital transformation, consumerism. And there's a lot of other interesting things popping up in the horizon that I think are going to make this a very interesting field to be for years to come.
Well, Eddie, we greatly appreciate your service to the conference, and certainly hope you've had a good time this year.
I appreciate it, David. Always a great time. Thank you. It's great seeing you too, man.